When creating a resume, it is always hard to decide, do you go clean or do you showcase your personality? The answer is it's important to do both. And the key to doing that is picking the right fonts. So I'm going to show you some of the best ones that are used in resumes and also why you should use them. The font needs to be easy to read, whether it's printed out or read on a computer screen, because you don't want it to distract from the content on your resume. So think clean and simple. Popular choices are Arial, Cambria, Times New Roman, and Garamond. And just because these are clean and simple fonts doesn't mean they can't showcase your personality or be fun, because here's a few examples of these resumes using these fonts. As you can see, they change the font size, the colors, overall design. So yes, it's readable. You still get a taste of their personality within these resumes. And just a quick tip besides your name and some of the templates that we have, you want most of the text to be size 10 to 12. And when it comes to formatting the page, we have templates ready for you, but a good rule of thumb is to set all margins at no less than half an inch. With that being said, when making a decision on the font that you're going to use for your resume, think about the job that you're applying for, as well as your brand. The font should be an extension of the content and reflect qualities such as professionalism, trustworthiness, sophistication, etc. And always remember, you can count on Adobe Express to have templates ready to go for you. Check out these if you need some help building a resume.